Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp notification sound. Whether you want to personalize your alerts or fix missing notifications, this guide will help. Let's get started. Open your WhatsApp application and tap on the Settings tab in the bottom right corner. Select Notifications from the menu options. Here you'll see your notification preferences for both individual messages and group chats. Make sure Show Notifications is enabled for both message types. Tap on Sound under Message Notifications. If it's set to None, this is why you're not hearing alerts. Choose your preferred sound from the list and tap Save in the top right corner. Repeat this process for group notifications as well. If you're still not hearing sounds, check your iPhone's system settings. Go to Settings, Notifications, WhatsApp. Ensure notifications are enabled and the sound switch is turned on. You can customize where alerts appear: lock screen, notification center, or banner. For persistent issues, try offloading the app through Settings, General, iPhone Storage, WhatsApp. Tap Offload App. This clears cache without deleting your conversations. Then reinstall from the App Store to update to the latest version. Thank you for watching.